name is Yancey Cope, co-creator and senior director for Spartan DEKA. In this video, I'm going to show you and your teammate how to conquer the DEKA Fit two-person team relay. We have the standard DEKA Fit course with the 10 zones in the middle of the arena, surrounded by the running track. Each zone is preceded by a 500-meter run. In most cases around the world, that will be a 2-lap course. In some cases, you might find yourself doing 3 laps prior to each zone. The first and the last run, the run before zone 1 and the run before zone 10, both you and your teammate will do that 500-meter run together. The middle 8 zones can be divided up. One of your teammates running the entire 500 meters, or one teammate running the first lap, one teammate running the second lap. More about that in a second. Okay, the first run. You and your teammate are in the start corral with your timing device. You're going to be launched out on course. You're going to run that first full lap together. Out on that second lap. On that second lap, you're going to go into zone 1. You and your teammate, using whatever strategy you want, as long as only one person is working at a time, you're going to divide up the repetitions, the meters, or the calories, depending on what the work is in the zone. When the work is done in zone 1, one of you will launch out on the running course again. The other person has 2 options. If this runner is doing the entire 500-meter run, the teammate will go hang out in zone 2. If you're dividing up the run, the first person, or the first runner will head out on the course. The second teammate will head out on the outside of the running track in front of the next zone to be completed. You see these red dots? Hang out right there. The teammate runs the first lap, comes to the relay exchange zone, hands off the timing device to their teammate. The second teammate goes out to run the second lap. The teammate that just finished that first lap is going to go into zone 2, hang out, and be ready to go to work. This person is out on the running track, completing the second lap, come into zone 2, and then the work can begin. Again, the middle 8 zones, you have those 2 run options, where one teammate can run the entire 500 meters, or you can split up the running relay and by handing off in the relay exchange zone. Don't forget, the first and the last run, you must run together. So when you finish zone 9, both of you are running together. The middle 8 can be divided up. One more basic rule. Before zone work can begin in any zone, or before the next run begins, there must be physical contact. For example, I'm in the zone, I'm on the rower, I'm strapped in, my partner comes in, slaps me on the shoulder, physical contact, then I can start rowing. Whoever finishes the row, let's say my partner's on the rower, when they reach 500 meters, physical contact, then I could take off on the next person, whoever's running could take off on the run. Those are the basic rules for your DEKA Fit two-person teams challenge, the relay. Find your team, build your team, male, female, or co-ed, and we'll see you in the arena soon.